All right, let's take a look at this message here. The client wants customers to be able to place orders Monday through Saturday and allow them to pick up on Sunday as long as it's 12 hours before the time of pickup. Example, if a customer places an order on Saturday at 10 p.m., they can pick up between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. on Sunday. A customer should not be allowed to place an order for pickup on Sunday less than 12 hours before pickup time. Store hours are Monday through Sunday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so let's try to see if we can make this work to the best of our abilities. We're going to try to do some small changes from both the Clover site and the Order Online site. Again, your situation may vary because your hours may not be like this all the time. It may change. So as things change, you'll have to change it on the Clover and also on the Order Online page. But based on this information here, I'll make some changes to reflect these time settings. So the first clue that I see from here, it says they can pick up between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. on Sunday. So this is the first clue that I got from this message here. So based on this clue, I'll have to go to clover.com, account and setup. Remember, when I say clover.com, I'm talking about the website. So you can only change your business hours on the website. So account and setup, once you log into clover.com from your laptop computer, press a business information. And then once you press it, scroll to the bottom and then make sure your business hours are correct. But because we are trying to tell customers for online orders that we want them to only choose 10 a.m. and 5 p.m., you'll have to make those changes accordingly. So I have to put closed, 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 open. And sorry, this one is also closed. And this one I'm going to put 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Why did I do 10 a.m. to 5 p.m.? Because here's why. It says 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. That's why I did that. I did not do 5 a.m. to 5 p.m., right? Because that's their physical store hours. Physical is when you walk in the store. But based on this email, we're going to do these hours because customers can place an order on Saturday. They can pick up between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. on Sunday. So if these hours change one day or it's not this, you'll have to come here and change it yourself. So I'm just showing you an example of how I would do it. This will not affect their physical Clover hours. This is only for the online orders. So 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now, since we have that taken care of, I press save. It's saved. By the way, if you press save and it doesn't save, the reason why is because you have your website URL wrong, okay? You have to fix this. If you have no S in here, HTTPS, and it doesn't save, just delete the website and press save. You have to have a HTTPS for the save button to work. Anyhow, that's just a side note I wanted to give you guys to do that. Okay, now we have 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Sunday here. What do we do next? We go to the back end of the Smart Online Order page. And then now I go to settings. And then when I go to settings, I wait for it to load because I'm loading the back end of the Smart Online Order page. I'm going to verify my address if I have not already done so. Now you'll see all the options here. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to store settings to confirm my business hours. It should be 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Sunday, because the reason why is because I want my customers to only pick up on Sunday at 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So I have Monday through Saturday closed. The next thing I need to do is customize the store closed message. Why am I doing that? The reason I'm doing that is because when I go to the Order Online page right now, it says online ordering currently closed. This message is default, but you want to customize this message. Why? Because this solution here, this is very unique. This is not normal. This is something very different that how typical online orders are working. So you have to tell the customers how the situation works. Okay, so we'll have to tell this to the customers that are visiting that website. So I'm going to go ahead and write it in my own words. Again, you write it in your own words. I'm just writing it based on what I read here. Okay. You can say thank you for visiting our order online page. All orders must be placed a minimum of 12 hours in advance. Okay. Okay, so why did I write that? Because okay, actually, let me just continue. All orders must be placed 12 hours in advance. Pickup days is Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Why am I doing this? Because I am telling the customer how the process works. So when they come to the site, there's no surprises for them. So when they go through the checkout process, they know exactly what's happening. So watch. By the way, at the time of this recording, it is Tuesday. So of course it'll say closed because, you know, on the store hours closed. But I'm going to refresh the page now. Now you'll see a different message here. It says, thank you for visiting our order online page. All orders must be placed a minimum of 12 hours in advance. Pickup day is Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay. So, I mean, this message, you don't have to write it. Thank you for visiting our page. That's just optional. Let me just remove that. But if you like to have that, you can. All orders must be placed a minimum of 12 hours in advance. Pickup days. Okay, so that works for now. Okay, now now we have to try to somewhat enforce that rule. This tells the customer the rule. Now we have to try a way to enforce it. And enforcing it can get a little tricky because some people may not read that. So we're going to try our best to enforce it. So here it says pickup orders, and it says how much time in advance. Based on this message here, if they're only doing pickup on Sunday, based on my experience with talking to merchants, I need to change the 30 days because I think this is something with catering. So put 30 days or 90 days. The maximum you could do is 90 days, okay? 90 days. So now minutes in advance. So you take your calculator and you take 60 minutes in an hour times 12, right? Because it says 12 hours, right? So 12 times 60 is what? Grab your calculator and then do the math. And the number you should get is 720. So 720. Once you put 720 here, you press Save Changes. Okay. So I have 90 days and 720 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page because I changed the store close message. And one thing to also do that I forgot to do is, in case your customer forgets, oh yeah, custom store announcement. You could actually write here, all orders must be placed 12 hours before the pickup date of Sunday. So you're probably wondering what's the difference between this message and this message. This message will only appear if you are closed. So this message will be shown to all customers Monday through Saturday, except for these hours. When this hours kicks in, this message will disappear, while this message appears all the time, even on Sunday. So if somebody comes on Sunday, they will see this as a reminder that, hey, don't order because it won't be available until next Sunday because, you know, it's too late. Wait till next Sunday. Or they can still order, but they just have to choose next Sunday. Pickup date of Sunday. Okay. And then you can just say 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. I'm going to press Save Changes here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and refresh the page one more time to see my all the changes I made. So now I get a pop-up. All orders must be placed 12 hours before the pickup date of Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Let me just kind of refresh, make it a little bit nicer. Pickup day of actually Sundays, because every Sunday. Okay, pickup days of Sunday. Sorry, Sundays 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so that's how, just word it how you want, and then you can kind of mention additional information like we make the food fresh and we need time. We make everything fresh. Therefore we need 12 hours to prepare your order. Okay, that's fine. We make everything fresh, therefore we need 12 hours to prepare your order. Okay, now you're telling them what they have to do, and you tell them the reason. So the more information you give to your customers, they'll know why you're doing this. And I'm going to show this again on checkout page in case they forget. Okay, cool. So I have my delivery. You don't have to, if you're not doing delivery, you don't have to do anything here. I did pick up in 90 days in advance or 90 days in the future. So let's go ahead and refresh the page one more time. So I wrote the title and then a little small message here. We make everything fresh, therefore we need 12 hours to prepare your order. And then and if they miss the pop-up, they'll see it again. All orders must be placed a minimum of 12 hours in advance. Okay, I should put this on the second line. Let me go back and put in the second line here. I'll just put a message there. Okay, see, use this to put a new sentence. See, BR, I'm gonna go ahead and put BR here because I want to put that as a new sentence. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and press save changes. Okay, now we'll have two sentences here. Perfect. There you go. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna pretend I'm a customer and it's Tuesday, and I'm gonna add all the stuff to my cart. I'm gonna go, wow, this is a great menu here. I'm gonna order 10 of these and 5 of that and whatever. Just pretend I'm a customer. Now I'm gonna go to the checkout page, and you'll notice something on the checkout page. I'm gonna do as guest. Okay, and now it's reminding them again that all orders must be placed 12 hours before the pickup days of Sunday 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. We make everything fresh, therefore we need 12 hours to prepare your order. Okay, the customer is reminded once again that they need 12 hours to make the food. Now when I go here, I choose pickup. Do you see how it says Sunday? Sunday, 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 right? So the Sunday is now enforced. The customer cannot choose Saturday, they cannot choose Wednesday, they can only choose Sunday. Why did I do Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m.? Because based on this message here, it says pick up on Sundays as long as it's hours before the pickup time. Sorry, right here. They can pick up between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. on Sunday. See how this message says here, they can pick up 10 a.m. 5 p.m. Sunday? That's why I did it this way. Do you see how it says Sunday? See how it has Sunday here like that? Is because I'm following this message that was given to me. The message says 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Sunday. If it's 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sunday, what do? You go back to the Clover business hours and change to 6 p.m. right? Just change it here, it'll change there. So if you change your mind and you go, wait, my business is doing well, I can also do it on Wednesdays. Come back here and put Wednesdays 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Adjust it as your business grows, changes, adapts, and just change it. Let's say on Wednesdays you want to do it till 9 p.m. Do it like that. Watch what happens when I do that. So let me do Friday. I'll do Friday 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Okay. Now when I press save for Friday and Sunday, you'll notice that when I refresh the page, I can choose Friday and Sunday. Why? It's because I changed the hours. See, Friday, Sunday, Friday, Sunday, Friday, Sunday, Friday, Sunday, right? And then because it's Tuesday, I can choose Friday or Sunday because I'm giving them more than 12 hours ahead notice to prepare my meal. And again, it's a reminder for the customer here too. And if you want to go one step further to really set it in stone so they don't forget, you can do that. It's just an additional step you can do. You can say like this, store settings, sorry, order types, make a new order type, call it pickup only on Sunday. Okay, actually I don't want to write the word only because I'll just say Sunday. Pick up on Sunday, 10 a.m. Okay, so you could do it like this. Here's a different way. There's just an idea to give you. Okay, so I can say delivery order, no. Pick up on Sunday, 10 to 5 p.m. I press this button. Okay, and then I can do this. Let's suppose the merchant doesn't care what time they come. They don't have to choose a time, right? You can disable schedule orders. How do you do that? You go in the back end, you go to store settings, and then allow schedule orders, stores closed. No. Schedule allow schedule orders, no. Okay, so now we have a different option here. Now when I refresh the page, I have an order type which defines the ordering process. This, you don't have to do this. Actually I can't order because I put don't allow the orders to happen. Let me change that real quick. Okay, allow the schedule orders when the store is closed. Okay, let me go back here now. That's why it's not showing it, because I had it off. Now I have it open. So the difference you're going to see here is that I can choose this order type, pick up on Sunday 10 to 5 p.m. I mean, you don't have to do this, but it's just another way of having them. They don't have to choose a specific time. So for example, let me remove this. So I put this off here, I press save, and then I press this one, I press disable. Okay, and then I press refresh the page. Now I only see one order type, which is pick up Sunday. Only do this if you don't care what time they show up in that whole day, right? Only do this if you're doing it that way. But I mean, I don't recommend it this way because you may want to know exactly what time they're coming in. So don't do this option if you're not okay with them not choosing a time. Okay, so but that's just a few different ways to do that. Again, that's the best way to do it. You know, just make sure to write the messages to your customers so they know how the process works in advance. All right, thank you again for your time. Have a great day.